Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Makia Forex, and in this video I will teach you guys how you can be able to double your trading account. So in this particular series I'll be teaching you guys how to flip accounts, how to double accounts, how to triple accounts, and even how to put your accounts times 10. So if you really want to learn how to double your accounts, how to triple your accounts, make sure you stay tuned to this channel because that's what we're going to be doing in the next couple of months. So please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. When you're flipping accounts, you have to understand that you are going to use a different trading plan, which might not be exactly the same as your regular trading plan, because flipping accounts is quite risky, and it's something that you need to have a lot of patience to do that. So we're going to use a different trading plan. I think I made a video on that on my TikTok channel. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, on TikTok. I'll leave the links in the description, also on Telegram. How do you double your account? For this particular experiment, we use just gold. You have to look for a volatile pair to trade. You trade gold, you're trading US30. Those are the two pairs I'm trading: gold, US30, and Nasdaq. I will not trade Nasdaq, I will only trade gold because that's my specialty, gold. Point number one, trading in the zone. What is trading in the zone? It's just an idea that tells you that what, as a forex trader, you're not supposed to trade outside of your zone. It means if you want to buy, there's a buy zone. If you want to sell, there's a sell zone. If you are trading outside of these zones, you are not trading in your zone, and that is the reason why 95% of traders are losing money, because they don't understand, they don't know when to trade, and they don't know when not to trade. You know, I have a signal group where I always share signals every single day to my subscribers. I used to always share them signals. So because I share signals on gold, on US30, and some days I don't share any signals, so they'll reach out to me and they'll be like, why are you not sharing signals, what's happening today? And I will tell them that I'm not trading outside of my zone. It means if I'm waking up and price has moved above my zone, or price have left my zone, I will not trade until price get to my zone. This is as a means of disciplining myself and trying to prevent myself from taking losses. Meanwhile, many traders are just randomly trading, following trends, and not even watching their zones. I trade only in the zone. So if price gets to my zone, I will look for a setup. If I don't see a setup, I don't trade. That is why I always advise traders that you need to have a strict routine, a strict discipline, in order for you to stay consistent in this forex trading industry. The next thing is that you need to be able to buy at the right time and sell at the right time. When I mean trading in your zone, it means when price gets to your buy zone, you need to look for a buy setup. I mean, you're going to look for confluences in order for you to take a buy setup or a sell setup. That's if you're entering a sell zone. Now in the case of a buy zone, when price gets to the right area and the right time and you have the right confluence, you enter your buy setup. Despite, even if it goes into a loss, is not a problem. The problem is that you have to be disciplined. You have to operate as a machine. It means that when you see the right setup, you just take in your trade. When you see the right trade, you take it. You don't have to be in a haste to take a trade. You have to wait for it to get to your zone. You have to wait for your trading plan for you to respect your trading plan, your confluences, before you take the trade, whether it goes into profits or it goes into losses. The idea is that what, if you do it 10 out of 10 times, you may have, let's say, 2 losses or sometimes 3 losses, but you may have 7 wins. And even if it's a bad week or a bad trading week, even if you have just 4 wins out of 10, your 4 wins will still make you in profits because of your risk management plan. So the next thing also is patience and discipline. Patience means that you have to wait for price to enter your zone, and discipline means that what, you have to be patient until it gets to your zone, then you wait for your right confluences in order for you to execute your setup. The next thing is risk management. Risk management is very important because when it comes to doubling your account, I will teach you guys how you can double a $100 account, how you can double a $300 account, how you can double a $500 account, depending on whatever you're doing. You need to focus on your risk management, because you can use 50 pips to double your account. You can use, as well as you can use 30 pips, 40 pips, or 100 pips to double your account. Now it depends on how you're trading. But if you have the proper risk management, you can be able to know how the amount of pips or the amount of market move that can be able to double your trading account. The last thing which you're going to put into your plan is trade management. Now when we talk about trade management, there are different things that you're supposed to know. It's almost like trading psychology. It means when you're entering a trade, how do you manage yourself? How do you manage your emotions while you're trading? Because sometimes you enter a trade, it's a good trade, it goes up, then it starts falling back down to your entry, or you start going back up to your entry. You have to be able to manage your psychology during that particular time period, and you also have to be able to manage your trades so that you don't lose on a good trade and you don't lose too much on a bad trade. The idea of trading is that what you want to make more on a good trade and you want to lose less on a bad trade. But most of the time we see that many traders lose more on a bad trade and they make little on a good trade. It's because they don't master trade management. So this is just the intro. I'll be showing you guys videos on how we are flipping accounts every single day and how exactly we are doing that. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, join us on Telegram, because that's what we are doing, all our stuff. Don't forget, we trade gold, US30, and that is how we're going to do to grow accounts. If you're looking for a good broker, a well recommended broker, I'll leave a link in the description so they can join us as we get into this quest of flipping accounts and making big money from trading. With that said, thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.